PS. We're back to the natural community. Hi, my name is Doreen Akombi. I created a channel specifically for natural hair. If you know me before, I go by different things. I started out my very first channel creating hair content, and then I branched out because I felt it was a bit too saturated and it was a bit limiting. And then I had this creative block, and since then I was struggling with creating content. But I finally decided to return to my roots, which is a natural community, because I feel like more than ever before, there is need to bring my people out of the shackles of what they've been confronted by the society. And I feel like people need to rediscover themselves and to be more and more comfortable in their natural skin. And so, because of that, I feel like I have a mission that I've come to make you to embrace your natural self, your natural more, and see it as part of your identity and not something that you should avoid or cover or be ashamed of, regardless of how it looks like, regardless of how bad it is. Yes. And so, because of that, I am officially starting this new channel. So, if you have any questions concerning natural hair, I'm not a total expert, but I've been in this journey for years. And I think the amount of experience and things that I've acquired along the way is enough for me to actually share to you. And I'm also open to learning from you guys too. So if this is something that you vibe with, can click the subscribe button and share. And if you don't know about my main channel, it's called Everything Doran. We're also getting there soon. But my main focus right now is this channel. So welcome once again to Dora Naturals. I try to keep the same name as I did before. And I'm excited for this journey as I was 4 years ago when I started my first channel. So see you all soon. Love you. Bye.